I've never made refrigerated strawberry jam before, but I'm giving it a try. Don't necessarily, so I was a little not sure about the temperature thing, so I had two candy thermometers. One's really old. This new one that's supposed to go up to 220 before you stop. So I still have some time here. It's all right. Smells fabulous. It's really fascinating to watch it break down the strawberries. Use my Cuisinart to make slices. And you can see how it's all breaking down. So cool. Still not up to 220 yet. Oh, can't see. Can't see. But very cool. You can sort of see it's a couple of bars up from 220. Still not there yet, but man, this is so cool. I've never made jam before. Refrigerator kind or any kind, but look how it's mushing all together. So cool. This is just strawberries, sugar, a little bit of lemon juice. They say it helps it set better. Cool. Getting closer and closer. Look at that. It's so cool. Look at that. I can hear the difference too in it. You can see the difference in the texture and the bubbles. It's not there yet. You can hear the difference. Look how the bubbles are changing. It's so close. It's so close. Look how it's all broken down. The color has changed. Can you see it from here? Oh, almost to 200. Not quite. Almost. Coming soon. And I have an instant red thermometer too. It's not quite up to 220 yet. That's what I'm going for. So close. Oops, almost. No, I touched it down to the bottom. That was why. Getting close. Okay, I think that's it. 220, that's it. Yay. Same there. So let's see. Look how thick and bubbly. Look at that. I guess you're supposed to be able to tell by the way it drops off the spoon, sticks to it a little bit. I don't know. But anyway, 220 it is. I'm going to put it in some jars that I use for my kefir. You can freeze it as well and let it firm up. Cool. Will it fit perfectly into 3 little mason jars. Put it all in the fridge. Oops. Put it all in the fridge, let it chill. Put a couple of them in the freezer. It'll be yummy in my oat overnight soak. Yum. Oh.